Good morning to all and all present here. We are the Bannari students. My name is Sathy of grade 9B.
And Krishna grade 76.
And Phil of grade 8C.
And Ritika grade 6.
Here we are going to present a project on Viksit Bharat for the 2025. AI enables in the vehicle exhaust upcycling system. It turns the harmful gases into valuable resources. What is the nature of the problem is vehicle exhaust releasing carbon monoxide and unburned hydrocarbons. It contributes to the air pollution and the climate change. The traditional pollution control system do not recover any value from these emissions. How it's working? If we install VEUS in the vehicle exhaust, it captures the exhaust gas in the real time. The AI-driven catalyst convert these harmful gases into synthetic fuel, fertilizer, and the harmless gases. The system of dynamic adjust the temperature and the frequency in the maximum efficiency. Recover the energy and reuse the another energy to improve the fuel economy.
Now I am going to tell about the technology and blockchain. Integrated blockchain technology records reduction emission enables the user to earn tradable green energy. AI prediction that the system is safe, reliable, and maintained proactively for a long term.
I'm going to talk about the benefits and impacts of VEUS. VEUS transforms the pollution into resource creation. It supports the cleaner cities and the sustainable development. It not only reduces the emission of harmful gases, and also it uses the harmful gases to produce useful products. VUAS turning the pollution into possibility to create a greenery, smarter and sustainable. Thank you.